She's trying to get it to go for the jump. Do you see her blocking it out?
She should be a cattle herder.
She'd be such a good cow horse.
Make him go over the jump, Nike.
How good of a cow horse would she be?
That's hilarious.
Get Lisa to come here. I don't think she'd care. I think she'd find it hilarious. Huh? She's hurting them.
She like keeps them together.
Guys, Ashlyn, how good of a cow horse would my horse be?
She's so freaking perfect.
Look at her. Like she's literally hurting them. Look at her. She would hide in a corner and like.
Oh no, she wouldn't. She loves hurting.